Connecting a Cortex to a test bed, attaching motors and sensors. Here you have a Cortex. On the Cortex you will see motors, digital, and analog listed on the Cortex. You'll also notice these fins that are shown on the inside of the Cortex, pointed towards the inside or the center. We're going to connect, you'll also notice the port numbers are listed on the side, on the outside. The outside is where the black wires go, the inside is where the fins are. We're going to connect our first touch sensor. Here's a button, it's a touch sensor. That has a wire that has 3 wires. It has the sensor connector, and these are the connector pins. They are very fragile. We want to be really careful not to force or push or bend those. They will go into the digital inputs. Here you'll see the digital inputs. We always like to start at digital 3. So if you look here, I have a fin. This fin on the connector needs to go in on the inside, so I have to turn it around so that the fin is in and the black wire, the black, is out. I find port 3 and I gently slide it in so that it slides in at port 3 right there. Don't force it if it doesn't go in easily. Check to make sure that you are going straight up and down and that the fin is sliding in. I'm going to connect another touch sensor. Same process. The fin is in, black wire out, 3 pins there. When you have one in, it's actually a lot easier to slide in the next one because they just simply snuggle up against each other. So it'll slide right down in there on the next port, port number 4. Sorry, my fingers are in the way. Slides in nice and easy. See that? Slides in nice and easy. Don't force it. Pins will slide right into the grooves on the inside. Next, we're going to connect some motors. Here's a motor controller wire, and here's the wire with the connector and the connector pins. Here it still has a fin. The fin is in, black wire is out. Motors go over here on this side where it says motors. We're going to put this one in motor port 3. I line up with the 3, fin in, black out, and I simply slide it down into port number 3. I have one more to connect. That'll be my next one. Black wire out, fin in, 3 pins. Nice and easy. I have to turn the wire around a little bit. Slide it right up to the other one. Make sure fin in, black out, and they are connected. You may have to connect an LED light. Here's an LED light right here. Again, fin in, black wire out, and then what we'll do is you'll just simply find in the digital port right here, and it should slide in nice and easy right next to the other 2. Fin in, ooh, I have it backwards. Turn it around. Fin in, black out, right there. And it should slide right in next to the other one, just like that. Fin in, black out. My sensors are connected, my motors are connected. Now I connect the battery. It's best to connect all of these with the battery out or off, and I turn it on, and then I can hit my button to run my code.